Big Ben will chime hourly again from early next year as work on Parliament's Elizabeth Tower nears an end. The refurbishment was originally expected to be finished this year, but was held up due to the pandemic. The costs of the project have already spiraled to at least £80 million. The famous London attraction has been largely silent since 2017, although it has been reconnected for significant occasions such as the UK's departure from the EU and Remembrance Day. The Great Clock, which the bell is part of, has been dismantled and repaired as part of the renovation project. The 13.7-ton Great Bell has emitted its trademark bounce since it was first sounded in 1859, although there have been some breaks for repairs over the years. The current restoration has seen it out of action for the longest time in its history. Parliament authorities said, following years of painstaking conservation work, the clock hands, now resplendent in the original Victorian color scheme, will be added to the clock dials with the restored mechanism returning to the tower later in the year. The statement added, early next year, the bells including Big Ben will be reconnected to the original Victorian clock mechanism and will ring out across Westminster once again. Then the gantry, which has protected the Palace of Westminster throughout the works and supported the complex scaffolding structure, will be removed before the site is fully cleared ahead of summer next year. Big Ben is the nickname for the Great Bell in London. The official name of the tower in which Big Ben is located was originally the Clock Tower, but it was renamed Elizabeth Tower.